Finding the perfect professional drone isn't easy. Some drones have weak cameras, unstable flight control, short battery life, or poor signal range that ruins the flying experience. That's why choosing the right model matters. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best professional drones you can buy right now. Powerful, portable, and packed with advanced features for aerial photography, cinematic video, and smooth flying performance. We researched specifications, features, and real user feedback to build this list. Check the description for updated prices and links. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews.
Number 5. JCMO SX1 3-axis gimbal camera drone. The JCMO SX1 is a feature-packed professional drone designed for stable and smooth aerial shooting. It supports impressive 8K video recording at 50 FPS and includes a dual camera system for wider creative control. The 3-axis gimbal helps reduce shaking for cinematic footage, while GPS positioning improves flight stability and accurate return-to-home performance. Brushless motors deliver quieter and more efficient flying, and the foldable design makes travel easy. With 5G Wi-Fi transmission and multiple smart flight modes, this drone is ideal for outdoor photography, travel videos, and beginner-friendly aerial filming.
Number 4. SZWDSE L600 Pro Max GPS drone. The SZWDSE L600 Pro Max L600 Pro Max is a smart and powerful drone built for long-range aerial adventures. It features a 4K dual camera setup with a 3-axis gimbal for stable and detailed footage. One of its biggest highlights is the 360-degree obstacle avoidance system that helps improve flight safety and control. With GPS support and up to 5 km transmission distance, users can enjoy smooth and reliable flying, even in large outdoor areas. Brushless motors provide strong wind resistance and quieter operation. Its foldable body and advanced smart features make it a great choice for photography and cinematic recording. Number 3. JJRC K19 Max GPS drone. The JJRC K19 Max combines portability with intelligent flight technology for an exciting drone experience. It comes with GPS positioning, optical flow stabilization, and 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance for smoother and safer flying. The panoramic shooting feature helps capture stunning aerial landscapes, while 5G transmission delivers real-time FPV viewing with minimal delay. This drone also supports an airdrop device function, adding extra fun and versatility during outdoor use. Its compact, foldable design makes it easy to carry for travel or camping. For users wanting smart features at an affordable level, the K19 Max offers excellent value. Number 2. V168 Max GPS Drone Professional 8K Camera. The V168 Max is a modern professional drone built for users who want strong performance and advanced camera features. It supports 8K aerial photography and FPV real-time transmission for immersive flying experiences. GPS positioning and obstacle avoidance technology help improve stability and safer navigation during flights. Brushless motors deliver better speed, durability, and quieter operation compared to traditional motors. One standout feature is the large screen remote controller, allowing easier monitoring without depending completely on a smartphone. Its foldable design and portable body make it perfect for outdoor adventures, travel shooting, and casual cinematic recording. Number 1. Potensic ATOM 2 Camera Drone. The Potensic ATOM 2 is the most advanced and premium drone on this list. Weighing under 249 grams, it stays lightweight while still delivering stunning 4K HDR video and detailed 8K photos. The 3-axis gimbal keeps footage smooth and professional looking, even during fast movement. With AI night shot and AI tracking features, this drone performs impressively in low light and dynamic shooting situations. It also supports vertical shooting for social media creators and offers an incredible 10-kilometer transmission range. Compact, powerful, and packed with smart features, the Atom 2 is perfect for travel, filmmaking, and high-quality aerial content creation design. If you want smooth aerial footage, advanced smart features, and reliable flight performance, these professional drones are excellent choices. From compact travel drones to powerful cinematic models, each option offers great value for photography and video creation. Which drone is your favorite? Comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.